right, look, take two. Thank you. What do you think, Abby? Oh boy. Look at all that good stuff. Look, did you see what this guy does? Show it to Mommy. Look, you've got lots of Easter cars.
Easter card. It's the card. It's the card. Look on.
Headband. It's a crown. You want to put that on?
Yeah.
Put on. Yay! Oh, that's beautiful.
Hey! Open.
You open it later. Look at what else is in there. Did you see your little chick?
There's
Look.
chick.
Look, see the little chick? Put him in your hand.
Another egg.
Yeah, another egg. Look at this guy. And when we squeeze his finger, look, I squeeze his finger right here. See, look, squeeze his fingers. Uh-oh.
Buddy. Lost.
Abigail, can you say Happy Easter, everybody?
Easter, buddy.
Say Happy Easter.
What's the?
Happy Easter.